Om Sairam, this is Venkat for Strasa.com. How many of you are completely satisfied with the job that you have? When it comes to me, I've always been satisfied with the job that Baba has blessed me with, no matter what the salary is. The reason is that Baba has made me realize I should be content with what I have. Okay, when it comes to work, initially you will start the work, the first few weeks and months will be fine. Then gradually you will realize the teammates are not good. Some people are annoying you. You might not be capable of doing the work that is assigned to you. You might want to change the department or change the nature of your job. You might not. You might feel bad that you are not getting the promotion that you deserve, whereas others are getting it. So there will be so many issues when it comes to a job. But remember, Sai likes it when you actually go to work. So never quit your job until you get another job in hand. Number one, and number two, you only have you only can do your job. You know what is karma marga? Your duty is to do your work and not to expect the result. And not to expect the result, uh, no matter what. It could be favorable to you or lots of profits. The Leela I'm going to speak about is both for someone who is doing a job and also a business. When it comes to Sai, he knows what is best for you. So here is a devotee's experience from one of my very good friend. Because she's speaking about her job, I asked her to keep her name anonymous. Mostly, I will never leave that. I will always expect devotees to say their name, especially because these devotees' experiences must be heard by Sai devotees and hundreds of years to come. So here it goes, a very beautiful experience which you will love. I will just tell you the crux of the experience. This girl, she completed her nursing course, and then she moved to Mumbai. Initially she was having trouble wherever she got a job as a nurse, and she was not happy with it. Then thankfully she got a job in Mumbai. She got handsome salary, which was she was satisfied with the salary she got. And she wanted to see, but initially she was put up in a department or a function in which she was not able to adopt. She was not capable of doing that work. Even her seniors were not, she was playing Baba to change her department, but the seniors never gave her that opportunity. But thankfully, only during this, I'm speaking about this in the Corona issue in probably in August 2020. So only during this time, she realized what Baba has done is right for her, because um, in if she had been in that previous department which is desired, she is supposed to go to work, and this girl, she also has respiratory issues, and it is really dangerous for her. But thankfully, Sai put her in the right department, which will safeguard her life during such a worse situation. I want to add one more thing. It's not that she is avoiding to do her duty. The management only asked a few people to keep away, segregate few people, and ask them not to come to work. So we understand that if she was assigned a work even during this Corona time, she will be happy to do, because I know during March, April, May 2020, she was continuing to do her job happily, and she is a very sincere nurse. So I will go to her beautiful mail. Only when I read the mail, you will understand the depth of her devotion and what actually happened to her. So it is titled House Ready Sai Baba Blessed a Girl with Satisfaction in Her Job as a Nurse. Okay. So I made this poster for her. Sai will do what's best for you. Have patience. So whenever you are worried about your career, your business, or whatever it is, the course you have joined, initially it might seem that it is not the right one for you, but Sai has done the best for you. He is futuristic. Okay. So I'll move on to the Leela. Sairam friends, I have a very good friend in Mumbai who works as a nurse in a reputed hospital. I admire her devotion on Sai. Sometimes she wakes up early in the morning to recite Aarti of our Sai Baba. Today she shared this experience with us. I always encourage devotees to stare their names on Star Sai, because no one will find if only the first name is revealed. But this Sai Leela is related to our work environment, so I myself asked her to keep it anonymous. It's not nice to call someone as anonymous. This morning, Sai Baba blessed me with a divine dream, as if a huge hibiscus flower is grown in our home. So I decided to call this girl as Hibiscus. So this morning I had a dream, as if I was worried that we have a hibiscus plant in our small garden. And I was worried why no flowers are coming up, are blossoming. And this morning, my father was listening to Lalita Sahasranam and I was sleeping. I had a dream as if my father, my parents, and me, we are going to a beautiful garden kind of thing. And then in the garden, I'm saying that we should have a place for the birds. And this is one of the plans. I wanted to do something for the birds in our home. And then I see a hibiscus plant with huge hibiscus flower. So because I got this dream today, I named my friend as Sai Hibiscus. Here, now let us move on to the letter sent by Sai Hibiscus. Here, I want to share my beautiful experience with what I am going through, how Sai Baba used to protect me in the worst situation. So the whole matter is about my job. I am a nurse. I had passed out in 2017. I had not that much interest in my job, but due to some conditions there was no other options for me. So I continued my work in clinical area only. From the day I started my job, I really faced so many difficulties and I also wasn't able to continue in one particular institution. Continuously, I was praying Baba for satisfying job as I had financial issues also. After quitting my institutions, I got finally a job in Mumbai with a satisfying salary. Before appearing in Mumbai's interview, I didn't expect such a good salary. So she finally landed up in a job in Mumbai in a reputed hospital. So I finally got into this institution in April 2019. After that, I faced too many difficulties in work as I was not that much good enough in a particular area in which I was appointed. I madly prayed Sai Baba to change my work area and tried to convince my superiors for the same. But Baba didn't agree because Baba knew that after this struggling period, this area only will be the best and safe for me. I've realized that now. So she started the work in the new hospital, but she was not satisfied with the department, the work function which she was assigned. She is seeking help to change the department, the nature of her job, but nobody agrees to that, and Baba himself doesn't seem to agree to that. So the story is, as I have some respiratory health issues, and it is dangerous if I expose myself in this corona situation. Literally, how I am supposed to express my gratitude and love for Baba, I don't know. The thing is that if she had continued, had changed to another department, she would have been asked by the management to continue to come to work. And this girl already has respiratory issues, and Baba knows he's supposed to save her, and that is why he put her in another department which she hated. But now I believe she starts to like it. When the corona was an adverse stage in Mumbai, my management took a decision to isolate some staff to remain unexposed with the coronavirus for special project. And for that project, they selected my particular area. And you all can't even believe that I'm sitting in an apartment with all facilities from 10th May. I'm getting my full salary without doing any work till this day, which is this institute has decided to segregate few of their employees to assign them in a particular project, and they are not supposed to come to the hospital because they are not the management doesn't want them to expose to coronavirus, which was very safe according to them. And thankfully this girl who has a respiratory problem was among in that particular department, which is really great, isn't it? So from 10th May she's sitting in her apartment and she's happily getting her salary. I'll continue to read. Because Baba knows that it's not good if I get exposed with coronavirus, and Baba also blessed me by allowing me to do Baba's Sagunopasana, all artis which I love to do in this free time. Sai Hibiscus. Hope you like this Sai Leela, friends. This reminds me of an incident which happened 30 years back in India. So my mother read this story for me before 5 6 years. She read it as an article. The same thing happened. You all know about the Bhopal tragedy, a tragedy which happened in India before 30 years. So one of the senior manager in that company, he was an ardent devotee of Lord Venkateswara, and he was expecting the senior most position in the organization, and he was worshipping Lord Venkateswara for that. Unfortunately, he was, due to some politics, he was not given that position, and some other guy for hired for the top position. So he decided to leave the job, resign from the job, and move back to Chennai. But he was always questioning Lord Venkateswara that I really worked hard, but why and I deserve that position, but why you did not give me that job? After few months, the explosion happened. The explosion happened in the Bhopal tragedy, which we all know before 35 years. And he, at that moment, he thanked Lord Venkateswara, saying that if I had been the head of this company during this time, then my whole life I would have either died or my whole life would have been a disaster. And he thanked Lord Venkateswara, and he went to Lord Tirumala and thanked him. So this story, I'm not sure how accurate it is, because my mother read this story from a magazine before 5 6 years. Here again, we are seeing how God comes to help a devotee, because God and saints like Sai are futuristic. At present, you may not like your job. At present, you may not like the sufferings in your business. But remember, God has a plan, because Sai has a plan, because he is futuristic. He was eagerly expecting to become the senior most person in the organization and prayed Lord Venkateswara for the same. Unfortunately, some politics was played, but another person was appointed as the head of the whole unit in Bhopal. This devotee of Venkateswara felt very painful, and the Lord did not heed to his prayers, resigned the job, and came back to Chennai to begin a job in new company. Within few months, the Bhopal tragedy, which killed thousands of people, happened. That's when he realized Lord Venkateswara has in fact saved him from a painful situation that would have costed him lifetime of tragedy. So remember this, friends, saints like Sai and goddess you worship will only do good to you, be it relationship or studies or career. Have patience and you will realize Sai has always done the right for you. Om Sai Ram. So this is from my friend whom I named as Sai Hibiscus. Baba will only do what is right for you, friends. So keep remembering Sai. Do not worry when you are not happy with your work. Do your work sincerely. Never quit your job. Withhold where people let people others play politics, or let other put you in a department which you don't like, but try to learn things there and try to thrive there. You will certainly be successful sometime in your life. And remember, Sai is always futuristic. What you do now might be a little bit of painful for you. You might face some difficulties, but in future you will realize what Baba has done for you is the best you could possibly get in your life. Om Sai Ram. This is Venkat for Sasa.com. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram.